When there is something that needs to be fixed quickly, it's always so hard to find what you need. And those pesky regular screwdrivers are bulky and have tons of attachments that are so difficult to manage. Regular screwdrivers can't unlock doors or even turn on the television. Now there is a solution. The sonic screwdriver. Now you can instantly tighten screws and effortlessly unlock doors without the hassle. You can program your phone to call across space and time.
Yeah, hi. Is this Hitler by any chance? Yeah, it doesn't matter who I am. So I was kind of wondering if you would, kind of stop by any chance. No, I
does not work around hair dry. Ineffective against wood. Introducing the sonic screwdriver.